Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Apple ID, grayed out, how to fix Apple ID not showing on iPhone. As you can see right now my Apple ID not showing after iOS 26.4 update. If you are also facing this kind of issue on your iPhone after update or before update or any other issue, so in this video I will show you how you can fix that. First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings app. Okay, scroll down and tap on VPN and device management. Make sure your iPhone not connected with any VPN. If you are connected with any VPN, just remove the VPN and it will 100% fix your issue. Okay, if that method not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is tap on transfer or reset iPhone. It will showing on the bottom. Right now tap on reset. After that you can see appears on screen reset all settings and apply it on your iPhone. If that method not working and you're still facing the same issue like this, you can see appears on screen. It's also showing here right now after applying these method. Now move to the next solution. The next solution is scroll down again and you can see appears on screen time. Tap on that. After tapping the screen time, you need to scroll down below and find here content and privacy restriction. Tap on that. After that, you can see appears on screen. It's showing right now content and privacy restriction. Just scroll down and you can see appears on screen accounts option showing here right now. Just select it on allow. Now go back and check your Apple ID. You can see appears on screen right now Apple ID showing and it's working well. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Apple ID this issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.